Hello dear viewers and welcome back. We're diving into an exciting topic today, the top 6 lightweight carry guns that are making a splash in 2023, especially among women. Whether you're seeking comfort, convenience, or just that perfect fit for your hand, we got a list that will tick all your boxes. Safety, compact design, impressive round capacity, and many more aspects have been considered for these standouts. So get ready to discover what might be your next perfect self-defense companion. In the teeming world of self-defense weaponry, a star has emerged, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield EZ 9mm. Celebrated for its simplistic, intuitive blueprint, it has swiftly ensnared the hearts of many women. Its virtues? An unchallenging slide to rack, a grip safety-assuring firm hold, and a tender trigger pull. Tailored for those not blessed with Herculean grip or sizable hands, its svelte profile and commendable capacity of 8+1 rounds make it a reliable confidant in precarious situations. Let's pivot to the Glock 43X, lean, compact, yet never underwhelming. A streamlined profile encapsulates an astounding 10+1 round capacity. A wolf in sheep's clothing, indeed. A single stack frame nestles comfortably in smaller hands, while the Safe Action system, a dependable ally, promises a consistent trigger pull and a bonus layer of safety. With an inclusive spirit, the reversible magazine catch flatters both right and left-handed marksmen. Sig Sauer's P365 does not merely linger. It thrives in the limelight of popularity. Its allure stems from an extraordinary combination of compact design, feather-light weight, and astonishing 10+1 round capacity. Striker-fired action? Check. Clean, snappy trigger pull? Check. Inbuilt accessory rail for auxiliary lights or lasers? Check. Ergonomic grip with the XRA 3-day/night sights? Check. Accuracy is yours to command day or night, light or darkness. Budget conscious yet unwilling to compromise on quality. And for the Ruger LCP Dodo, a wallet-friendly contender weighing a mere 10.6 ounces. Enveloped in a 380 HCP package, it ranks amongst the lightest entrants in the ring of firepower. Its compact, textured grip design proffers effortless concealment and handling. A 6+1 round capacity and crisp trigger discharge spell out reliability and efficiency in bold letters. Next, feast your eyes on the Springfield Armory Hellcat, a micro-compact titan offering a daunting 11+1 or 13+1 round capacity, magazine-dependent, all housed within a pocket-sized frame. The adaptive grip texture, a distinctive feature, guarantees a firm grasp, while the innovative U-sight system ensures swift target acquisition. It further sweetens the pot with an optional manual safety and a versatile magazine release. Ambidextrous shooters rejoice. Finally, let us acquaint ourselves with the Taurus GX4, a beacon of affordability yet uncompromising on performance or reliability. Housed in this 9mm subcompact is an 11+1 round capacity backed by a short, smooth trigger pull for surgical precision. The ergonomic grip and striker block safety enhance its charm, and with a simplified takedown procedure, maintenance becomes child's play. And there you have it, folks, our top 6 picks for the best lightweight carry guns for women in 2023. We hope this list helps you make an informed decision based on your unique needs and preferences. Remember, safety should always be a priority when handling firearms. And make sure to stay updated on local laws and regulations related to firearm ownership and use. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content just like this. Until next time, stay safe and keep empowering yourself.